means is that I expect the answers as a group, and I may ask any one of you randomly to show me what your work is and to show me the evidence for why it is that you are making a claim for an answer to one of my questions. And I might even randomly call on someone by randomizing your names in a calculator or something like that. I might randomly call on you. So you need to be prepared that if you think you have one of the answers that I need in order to unlock this treasure, that everyone has this answer. Okay, I'm going to, in a minute or two, send you out to the field, and you're going to be solving the clues out there. I have some tools out there for you to use, including many compasses. So, does anybody know the one basic truth for how a compass works?
The red thing points north.
The red thing points north.
What's the difference between north and magnetic north?
A little bit of difference as far as where we consider the North Pole, but where the actual most magnetic north is on the Earth. But we're pointing magnetic north, and we're going to also consider that north. It's a very slight, subtle difference. Something that I assure you you'll never know on these old, junky compasses that you're going to be trying to do your best with. So, the red thing points north, but also it's on a nice little swivel that's supposed to kind of minimize friction and kind of be able to slide over to north however you turn it and however you turn your body. So what that means is you have to try to hold it level against the, parallel to the surface of the Earth. Okay, that's the only clue I'm going to tell you about how a compass works. Everything else you can figure out. It's not a very complicated device. And we don't need to use your iPhone compass. You can just use the good old-fashioned ones. And so all of the clues that you'll need are out there. And, oh yeah, that's right. I have one more rule for you. I think there are enough compasses for everyone to have one in their hand and to help scout out which direction. But there's also another measuring device, and I'd like to make it fair that not one person can be doing this measuring device every single time. You're gonna need to assign little tasks throughout the group in order to accomplish this. And I don't want one person to get stuck with the same task every time. So share the jobs, share the duties, and share how many people are dealing with all of the various measuring devices that you need. And so when you find yourself coming to an end and the clues come to an end, then you can come back and I'll begin to ask you questions and we can start to see if you're worthy of the treasure. Okay, so your first clue is at home plate. Meet you out there.
Does it matter if we're not wearing pencils or anything?
You're not worthy.
Oh, I have one more thing to tell you. I am certain that if for thousands of years no one has properly unlocked this treasure, I am certain that it's going to be a worthy challenge of you all. So I figure the other section might end up needing to be challenged as well, because it's very possible that you won't be able to unlock my treasure. So there are 2 clues at every clue location. Please only take one of them and leave the other one in place, please.
Isn't this why we have 2 days for this?
We have 2 days for this.
We do?
Yes, you can unlock this treasure tomorrow if it ends up. This treasure will not get unlocked before tomorrow, I'm certain of that. So please only take one of the 2 clues at each station. They're identical, so you just need one. And collect them as you go. You'll need them as you go. So no, I don't think you really actually need paper or anything. If you collect the clues, you'll come back in here and this can be your workstation. Okay, meet you out at home plate.
Oh, which way we going? I see one.
We're southwest.
Yeah. We found one, so.
Yeah. Okay, I got this thing.
That's cheating the process. Don't go there because the clue is there. Go there because it's the right place for you.
Should we leave that way?
Yeah, they are. Somebody already took one to leave the second one. Yeah.
Oh wait, the second one too.
Yeah, you can take the one. That's yours as a group.
Is that southwest or is this
I
southwest?
think you need to help your partner.
I don't know.
South and west. Travel. Wait, it would be like that. Oh, sorry. Travel S12 degrees.
It's that way.
I don't get it.
Oh,
Are we
fine
That
west?
way is north.
Where's the south?
That's not an N. That's a 2.
So that's north, south, west. That's south.
I have a phone on that direction.
Oh, I thought that was that way. Wait, what?
It could be any direction.
Oh, there's degrees on here. Southwest is
I think it's this way. This way, why don't we see?
But wait, is it even
I
southwest?
have the thing.
No.
Yeah,
S no, there's degrees on the compass.
Would it be like 12 degrees?
No, you guys, there's degrees on the compass.
I'm ready to measure stuff. It's my
Measure?
compass.
Measure?
Like,
Measure. I'm ready to measure stuff.
okay, they're discussing this quite carefully. I suggest you go join them.
Oh, okay.
You guys, there's degrees on the compass.
So it's south and then you go over 12 degrees to the west.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have a secret.
South?
Yeah, so it's like that way. And then count it 108 feet. That way.
Where did you come
I know.
Where? Is it?
Yeah.
It's confusing me.
Right, like that way,
Are
right?
you holding it nice?
Starting at south.
Yep,
Oh,
hold it nice.
cool.
Your fingers left.
I did not know that.
Yeah, I'd say like
Oh, blue.
Is it maxed out?
Did you say south?
I think it's south.
No. South 12 degrees to the left. I think that's a good one. Follow.
Oh.
Watch out.
Now, I have to ask you an honest question. Are you guys just going to the 2 clues that you can see? Or are you using some critical thinking here to try to understand how you read a compass? What south degree, 12 degrees west? That's south.
Wait, should I keep this here?
Is 12 degrees a west?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it should be that.
That's the next clue, you guys.
Are you
Good,
sure?
good, good solving.
I didn't submit.
Okay. Making you confident. That's just
Oh my god, this is north.
I think it's just north.
No, you're right. You're right.
No, right?
North 12 degrees east, right? Isn't that what you said?
No, west.
What? What do you...
It is
That's
12 degrees
west.
east.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I kind of get it now.
What's the back? What?
Yeah, this is north 12 degrees east. From there, this.
Yeah, he was
No,
right.
that's west.
This is north, south 12 degrees west. And that's what the original clue was, right? South 12 degrees west.
Oh, guys, we can turn this arrow to set our goal.
Was south 12 degrees west the clue?
Oh,
I get how it works now.
that's so smart. So you turn the arrow where you want to point, and then. So Julianne and Danielle, you're elected to also share in the presentation of how to use the compass. They're probably going to discuss how you read a compass bearing and what that means, and then maybe you can discuss
Okay, let's get started on
how
this one.
the actual measurement
That
works.
way.
From
Wait,
here.
I forbid you to start only because the rest of the group is in here, and I don't think that would be fair.
Okay.
I forbid. The
So I
owner
think
of
you
the
would
treasure.
I think it's that right
Turn this
thing.
like 50 degrees that way, and then just
Or this
follow
way,
the
and
arrow.
somewhere down
Because you keep this pointed at north, and then you just follow the arrow right there.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a compass so that you can teach me as well.
He's nodding in agreement.